Experiencing a black screen or no sound on your Kia K5's infotainment system can be frustrating. Most of these issues stem from software glitches, outdated firmware, or connectivity problems. Kia has been actively addressing these problems with over-the-air OTA updates, particularly for models from 2020 onwards. Before diving deeper, ensure your K5 has the latest software update, V10.2, released in July 2025, which targets common bugs. You can update via the car's Wi-Fi hotspot or at a dealership. If the issue persists, it's time to explore reset options. Start with a soft reset by holding the power button on your infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds. This reboots the system without losing data and often clears temporary glitches. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes. This resets all systems and can fix persistent black screens by clearing corrupted firmware. For a factory reset, go to the Settings menu on your infotainment screen and select the Reset option. This restores the system to its default state, but note that it will erase all saved data. While resets often solve software-related issues, persistent problems may indicate hardware malfunctions like faulty wiring or blown fuses. In such cases, seek professional intervention at a Kia dealership.